Good morning, guys. So, it's probably like class time actually. 7:35. I have class at 7:40. And me and Tess are gonna go get breakfast. I'm literally starving. Also, sorry it's dark. The sensors haven't turned on yet.
Wait.
There it goes. Anyway, guys, last time I checked it was October, but I don't think Mother Nature really agrees. So, let me just show you what's happening outside right now. I can't believe there's literally some... It fucking looks so cold. I'm actually not cold in all this, like, all these clothes. But it's literally snowing outside. On October 26th. 2020. 2020. Last week it was 80 degrees. What was that, Thursday or Wednesday? Thursday. On Thursday it was 80 degrees and today is Monday and it's snowing.
And it's gonna snow all day.
This is ridiculous.
I love it.
Look at my little, my little spike. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay, hi guys. So, let me see what time it is. It's 10:36. I think it's supposed to snow all day. Let me show you outside again. Literally what? At the Union, what did I do? Oh, I worked on like my academic plan. So I was like scheduling my classes and stuff with my advisor. That's good that I am doing that, I guess. And then, what else? Taking some personality tests that I was supposed to take last week. Whoops, didn't do them. Doing them now though. And then I have another meeting and I'm getting a new ID right now. I haven't had my ID all weekend. Like, I don't know where it went, but I lost it. I've looked everywhere. But, yeah, getting a new ID. And then I'm gonna eat lunch, then I'm gonna take a nap. Because, what was it, like Sunday? I literally slept like probably 3 or 4 hours. So, I need more sleep. And yeah, nothing much has really happened. I've just been doing meetings and homework and watching TikTok, like always, so. Yeah, I'll try to show you more. Look what I got.
What did you get?
My ID. This is so exciting. Okay guys, got some packages. So, let's see what they are. Hopefully one of them is foundation because I'm supposed to do this thing with NARS about like literally a month ago. And I know they had trouble like sending it. So, also it's snowing so hard right now. You can't even see my package. Why am I struggling with this? There's someone at my door. I just know it. Ring. Yeah, this looks like foundation samples. Perfect! So here's their card. Cute. Yeah, I definitely have to...
Ew. Kate, what is in this leopard cup? What is it?
I don't know. What does it look like? It's probably
like
that
chai.
tea. It's probably chai. Did I not even...
When did you make that?
Did I not even rinse
You
it
made
out?
it on Friday.
Yeah. I'm doing dishes today. I was gonna do them yesterday, but then I didn't. I'm out of cups. I have to do them today.
Yeah, they're all right here. Literally.
Anyway, another package. It is my tank top.
Yeah, really? Oh my god, funny.
Guys, I've been trying to get this tank top. Well, I keep ordering the wrong size, so.
That's the issue, actually.
I mean, okay. It's green. It better fit because the small is too small and the large is too big, so this is a medium. Literally ordered this probably like a month and a half ago. It was bad. Well, cool. That was my unboxing for the day. Also, I'll show you. I'm glad that foundation came in, actually. I've been waiting on that for so long. But these are all my dirty dishes. But this, like, brand, I don't know how to say that. Duval, that's how I would say it, sent me this. So I'm gonna do a nighttime routine coming soon. Yeah, using that. Okay guys, here's my tank top. First of all, the like padding's all like messed up, but that's what it looks like. There goes the heat. Oh good. Now there's noise. It was way too quiet in here. I mean, the small is too small, large is too big. This one fits fine, so. Yay. Yep.
Hi vlog. What's up? It's me, Tess. I'm filling my water. I've had a really productive day today while my roommate Kaity has been napping. But the last time you saw us, I think we were what? Leaving for breakfast this morning? Oh yeah, right. Kate unboxed her thing. It's been snowing all day. If you want to see, hold on. I'll pick you. See, look. It's been snowing all day. Winter wonderland outside, even though it's only October. Kate did her dishes, which is really kind. Let's see.
Well, I've done some of them.
Oh, some of them.
We need a new brush.
Oh yeah, Kate is like Hulk. Oh wait, look, there's me. Kate is like the Hulk and broke the end off this brush. It's not even true. It was just, yeah. This is the nail polish Kate was gonna paint her nails with like 8 weeks ago. She never did. It's right there.
I will one day.
She will one day. It's true. Yeah. So, anyways, Kate did her dishes and got a new student ID because she lost hers. I love that I'm updating them about your life, even though I'm the one recording. There's. I guess. Okay, well, I guess since Kate's my guts, I'll just log off. Shout out to Kate's mom for getting us this candle. It says, can you see it? It says, light me to brighten your day a little. It smells delish. I'm pretty good at guessing candle scents.
Okay, what is it?
What?
I think I know.
Hold on, let me just. Okay, vanilla. Definitely vanilla.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I want to say like vanilla brown sugar. Maybe. Like,
I don't even know the scent, so if you guess it, I have no idea.
yeah, it's just my personal
Okay.
feelings. Yeah, definitely vanilla. Maybe some brown sugar. It's a very good smelling candle. I really like it. So.
Just a disclaimer that we don't burn candles in the
Oh, also, yeah, we don't burn this. UMKC UMKC residential life. We don't burn this. We just smell it occasionally. Anyways, thank you so much for coming. We'll see you later.
Okay guys, Hillary canceled yoga, which we're really sad about. Elena's here too. Wait, I covered her with my head. Anyway, so we decided we're gonna do yoga by ourselves. Oh!
Okay.
That was really good actually. My socks made me slide. I did a trick.
What did you do?
Not really. Let me show you on this. Okay.
Now that you're advanced, see if you can go up like you did.
Yeah.
And then try and bend your feet back as far as they can go without falling over.
Okay. There you go.
Okay.
Right. I'm just holding my breath.
You're rolling back. You better not.
I'm just impressed that I did the open my legs last time. That was impressive. That's all I bent my legs.
No, I wasn't even watching.
Well, I bent them, but I didn't bend. But like, okay, I'll show you.
Hold up.
Normally there's like a sunset, but since it snowed all day, there's not.
Gloomy, cloudy.
Gloomy. Also, Hillary, if you're watching this, you're not watching this, but we miss you.
We miss you, Hillary.
Hillary doesn't even know I have a YouTube channel. I don't really tell people that.
Watch your YouTube channel,
She definitely would. She would love it. What? Yeah, let's do some yoga.
Backbone in the DNA or RNA strand. The DNA strand is anti-parallel, meaning that it's read in the opposite direction.
Hello guys. Didn't film the outro, but pretty much did my homework at the library, and me and Tess came back and I went straight to bed. That's what happened. So didn't really miss much. And here I am. Honestly, I kind of like filming on my laptop. What if I vlogged on my laptop one day? That could be kind of fun. Anyway, back to what I was doing. Thank you for so much for watching today's video. Does that make sense at all? I don't know. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. And I will see you next time.
Missing someone.